Insane Minecraft seed. There's a village with 3 blacksmiths with OP loot. There's also a buried treasure with not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but 5 buried treasures. Head over here. If you go in this cave, also go this way, you will find a zombie spawner. Here's the loot from the spawner. You get a copper horse armor. The buried treasures. You get 1 diamond. You get 1 diamond. You get 1 diamond. Now the blacksmiths. You get 6 obsidians. If you dig down, you find a trial chamber. And if you dig right there, you can find another spawner. Here's the loot. You get a copper horse armor. Also another spawner, a mine shaft. Another spawner. Here's the seed you're going to need.